Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the mystery unveiling of the Cyber Monday mystery kit for this year, and I'm super excited to show you guys the reveal. This was sold on Cyber Monday as a mystery. It's actually the day before it's actually being sold, so I am filming this because I have had it on my desk for like 3 weeks, and I just wanted to show you guys and film this video and get it pre-filmed for you guys because I will be shipping them probably within 4 days of y'all ordering. So let's go ahead and look at it. I am so excited about this kit. It has been in the works for a really long time. It is exclusive art and I am so pumped about it. So let's go ahead and get into the reveal. So this was an ultimate kit, exclusive. We didn't have a mini kit or anything like that. And like I said, it's exclusive art. So let's go ahead and get into the kit. So we did do 3 different little bundles here. So you do have the sticker kit. So that was the sticker bundle. You have a foil bundle, and then there's also a washi bundle. So really excited about those. So let's go ahead and go through the ultimate kit here. So this is very 90s Galaxy Holo inspired, which I feel like is so on trend and so fun. Definitely an anytime kit, and a kit I think we can all relate to or we all think is super cute. So you have like a Furby, you have a Game Boy, some Converse, a really cute little room here. You have a little like CD player, some sunglasses, a Bop It, a Tamagotchi, a Caboodle, some like juicy gloss there. Just love this. You have a girl here with her little suspenders and her tie-dye crop top with her little choker. So cute. Here is all of the deco here. So you do have the newer format, and all of the little accents are like faux hollow glitter accents, which I love. I'm like obsessed with this kit, like obsessed. I'm probably going to be using it for Emily's birthday week. This is a phone, just super cute. The colors are so fun, so like spring, but for sure anytime. And again, you have that like faux hollow glitter throughout. You have your pattern washi, which you have like galaxy prints and like fun like kind of looking tie-dyes. I love the pastel colors in this kit. You have your little things, your solid washi, and your fancy labels. You have your ombre with, again, those faux hollow glitter throughout. And then look at this bottom washi, and then you have the extra box there. You have that faux hollow glitter through the date covers. I'm obsessed. I love this kit. I love that it's a purple and blue mostly kit. Like I feel like the main colors in here are the purple and blue and that really cool pale yellow, and then you also do have a pink. And then this is the kit freebie, which is the current one with the little munchkin in the squared off box, and then the SPC new releases. So that's the ultimate kit. The ultimate like bundle did also come with these really cool glitter headers, which have the kind of like rainbow tie-dye look to them that gives them kind of that like faux hollow look. There is a 15mm, and I did this really pale yellow just because I thought this would look really cool with the bottom washi, because it's a really cool contrast. I feel like some of the other colors would have blended in, but this with the, if you got the foil washi, would be so cute. Or you could totally just use it on its own as like a little extra oomph. Or you can use it as extra washi, whatever you want to do. Then there's also these Fashion Girl boxes, which are super cute with their space buns, and their highlight is so good. And then you also have the bows. So that is the ultimate kit there. I believe, I don't have the thing in front of me, but I think it was $27.95. Our kits in shop are normally $29.95, and then you've got all of these extras as well. So that is the ultimate kit. I'm so in love with this collection. I'm thinking about possibly doing a TN kit with this art, because I think this would be like such a cool TN kit. Then let's go into the foil extras here. Not extras, but the foil bundle. So first things first, you do have these foil seals in Holo. How fun are these? They all have really pretty patterns, like galaxy tie-dye looking patterns in the background with the Holo foil. All of this is Holo foil. You do have the little strip here with the overlay of the Holo stars, which is really fun. You could totally use this paired with other colors if you have any in your collection, or you can use the yellow that comes with the kit. There was a 1 large deco sticker, and how fun is this? I was just like, honestly, this Furby sticker was too cool not to do something like really big with. I'm going to try and pull it up without like ruining it because I want to use this one. But how cool is this? So it's like a hollow clear Furby sticker. You could totally stick this on the front of your planner, on a caboodle. You could put it on a sticker album. You could, you could obviously put it in your spread. You could put it anywhere. I think this would be really cool on like a sticker binder. Like, how fun is this? And I mean, who doesn't have Furby memories? Or just in general. I mean, some people think Furbies are really creepy, but I think they're really cool. So that is a really big, I think I put it as like a large deco sticker. And this is just so fun. Like, I'm hoping we have extra of these so I could steal some more because I just think they're so cool. I'd put them on my, like, everything. I'm like just thinking, I'm like, oh, this would be cool, like for deco anywhere. Then you do have the Deco Sheet, which I think this would be really cool to layer over your full boxes as just extra little deco, or just using it in general as deco. I feel like you can save some of these and use them in other spreads like the stars and the moons. There's like some little alien doodles in here, and these are also in Holo as well. There is these icons, so you do have like the circle icons as well as the date numbers on the bottom there. Obviously, you'll probably have a ton left if you're doing a spread. You do have our very minimalistic, simple glitter header overlays, which are so cute. And then you also have the same glitter full box overlays. So really excited about this. I cannot wait to use this kit. I think it's going to be like, it's going to be fantastic. It's going to look so beautiful. And then last but not least, we do have the washi, which I am so excited for. I think we have these open already, so it came like this, and let me go ahead and pull all of the washies out. Really, these are all so these are the washies that came in here. They came in a cello like this. So let's go ahead and swatch these. I have these were the Misfit-ish washies, so this is how I swatch my washies, so you guys will see. So these are in the Pixie Dust foil, which were also the ones, if you guys didn't get the ones from Black Friday, they are in the same foil, and those will be available again on when we reopen the shop, because we do have extra of those. So those were released on Black Friday. Oh my goodness, I love this one so much. They're so pretty. So you do have 3 solid bows. I feel like those were very, I wanted to make sure that it was like kit themed, obviously, but I wanted them to still be kind of universal. I didn't want to give you like all patterns or all like, or a bunch of like clip arty type ones. I wanted, since they are a mystery, to be pretty universal. So I did do 2 patterns, but I thought they were pretty, oh my god, this is beautiful. Ooh, this one's my favorite, I think. I love this one. I love the pattern ones a lot. So I wanted to do pattern ones, but also do solid ones so that you could pull those into other spreads. I love this. This is like a Cinderella blue. I love this pink color. It's pretty close to this pink color, but this is in our new simplified bow, and it's also not a Misfit. So let me go ahead, and what I do here, which if you guys do washi swashes, this is a fun way to do it. You just take a regular piece of paper and I fold them over, so it gives like a really nice clean look. Washi swatch 101. And then look at these. I love them so much. So this is my favorite one here. I want to see if I can zoom in really close so you can get that full hollow pixie foil look. My paper's a little dirty, but look at that. You can see it like a lot in here. So I love these. I think they're absolutely beautiful. Again, this one's probably my favorite. I love the background in here, but I just think they're so pretty. And like I said, I did 3 of the solids, 2 of the patterns, and 1 of them being stars. They're just so beautiful. I love them so much, and they are in that Pixie Dust foil, which are the same foils. I don't know where I put my other paper at. Which are the same foils that we used for Black Friday. I think I put the others over here. Say it's kind of deep in my pile. Here it is. Actually, you can see a lot of them here. There's actually sneaks of other ones, but so those also are in the Pixie Dust foil, and this one down here. And then this one's a copper and a silver that's going to be coming soon. So really excited about these. So this is the washies that came in the bundle, and I'm so excited about these. They are beautiful. I am so in love with them. I just think they turn out really, really fantastic. And like, look at them with the seals. So pretty. And then here's the kit. I feel like we need a monthly in this. We need a TN kit in this. We need everything in this. So I hope you guys liked this year's Cyber Monday mystery. I am so happy with the way that it turned out. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, the washies came packaged like this. Those are my personal washies I brought home. I didn't like quality control ones or anything. I just like, I stole whatever was available at first hand, and I needed them with me. So these are my personal stash. And then this will be probably my backup. But I love these so much. I am so excited. And I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know if you guys want to see a TN kit in this theme. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.